In this video you will learn how to connect your system with VPN. Go to Windows Setting, then search for VPN. Here you can see Add VPN connection. Just click on icon. New page will be open. Here we will fill all connection detail. VPN provider will give us detail on their page. Pick nearest server to you, and below we have username and password. After fill the detail, go to VPN setting in your computer, refresh it, or reopen the VPN setting, if server name to show. Left click on icon and click connect option. It will connect, and then go to adapter option. Here will be show VPN name connected. In my case, this is not connected because most of the time you using free VPN will not connect so easily. This is how we connect our computer with VPN.